everything. Okay, so hello everyone. I'm Mohammad Tavish Khan, and I have with my teammate Rajesh Sharma. We are from Neural Next, and our project name is PitchVision. It is a project which helps us to uh, scout for cricketers or students who are playing cricket in academies and everywhere, and we can help to check their form and compare them to the professionals. And if anyone scores a very high score, we can directly um, refer them to the authorities who are constantly finding out the growing players especially in UP. So here is the UI, and how it works is, allow me to give you a demo, and then we'll go through the system architecture. So first of all, we'll select what we are trying to check. If it is for now, we have two options: fast polling and cover drive. So we have selected cover drive, and you can see that this is a video of Virat Kohli doing the cover drive. So we can freeze and analyze the frame. And the moment we freeze and analyze the frame, the angles are being automatically calculated in the client side, and the LLM generates a response of the um, form. And you can see the grade is B. This is a good grade compared to, since since he's a professional batsman, so grade B batsman, is a grade B is a very quite good here. We can print the report here. And now, to go through the system, how it works, this is roughly the system design of the PitchVision AI. So here the client side, we load the video, and media pipe library runs on the client side only, which helps us to calculate the angles between the elbow and the knees, which you saw in this tab. This one, yes, which you see the 170 and 111 degrees. This automatically the media by library calculates it. Then this helps us to prevent sending the whole video to the backend, which saves us uh, basically on everything, the bandwidth, the times to process the video and compare. We just share the raw numbers of angles, and it helps us to draw a digital skeleton here, which you can see. And then the angles which are sent to the LLM, it is compared with the professional uh, angles which we have already given to the agent, to the LLM, and it sends us the visible report. This is basically the very high level of how this app works, and we have a lot of things to improve here, but this is what we are. Yes. Okay, thank you. And